In order to print and copy at the David Rice Library, you need money on your Flex account of your Eagle Access card.
Although it can be used in the bookstore, this account is separate from your bookstore account. Funds can be added to this account at the Eagle Access Card office, online through MyUSI, or you can use the Flex machine located on the first floor of the library, directly across from the information wall near the checkout and reference desks. Here's how you can use it. The initial screen allows you to choose one of three options. The first can be used to check the account balances on your card. The second allows you to purchase a print card for $1 in the event that you don't have an Eagle Access card or forgot to bring it. The third option allows you to deposit money into this Flex account. When you select deposit, it gives you the option of whether or not you would like a printed receipt after you complete this transaction. Swipe your Eagle Access card, then you need to choose the form of payment. The Flex machines accept bills or credit/debit cards. It should be noted that it doesn't accept loose change or ATM cards, will not give change back, and requires a minimum charge of $1 and a maximum charge of $100 when purchasing a card. Simply select the option, input the payment amount, swipe your card, and wait for authorization. For cash, insert your desired number of bills and select Done. After either option, a screen will appear listing all of your accounts and balances, including your Flex account. If you select the option Receipt, it will also print out a listing of all of these accounts and balances. But if you're in a study room and you don't want to get up, lest your study room be stolen by library drifters, you can reload your card on MyUSI. With MyUSI, you can use a credit or debit card to deposit funds into the account from any location 24 hours a day. Just choose the account you wish to deposit funds into, list out your payment information, and submit the form.
If you have any problems with the Flex machine, see the reference and checkout desk. For questions and concerns regarding your Eagle Access card, please contact the Eagle Access Card office, and don't forget to check out more helpful tutorials from your good friend...